Question number 66. This question is from polity section. The question is, consider the following statements. 1. The mode of removal of a judge of High Court in India is same as that of removal of a judge of the Supreme Court. This statement is correct. Article 124 of the Constitution of India lays down the procedure for removal of a judge of Supreme Court, which is applicable to Chief Justice as well. Once appointed, the Chief Justice remains in office until the age of 65 or for a term of 6 years, whichever is earlier. He can be removed only through a process of impeachment by Parliament. A judge of the Supreme Court or High Court judge shall not be removed from his office except by an order of the President passed after an address by each House of Parliament supported by a majority of total membership of that House and by a majority of not less than 2/3 of members of that House present and voting has been presented to President in the same session for such removal on the ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity. In this way, statement 1 is correct. Now, statement 2. After retirement from the office, a permanent judge of a high court cannot plead or act in any court or before any authority in India. This is a wrong statement. After removal of permanent high court judge, he can practice in other high court or Supreme Court except where he worked as judge. In that case, statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Our answer will be option A, only one. With that, moving on to the next question.